Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming our presentation. The Honorable, our lecturer Miss Dian Mega MPD, and all of my friends. We are from Group 3. We'll discuss about the forward design of the curriculum. Before we are going to discuss our material, let me introduce our member. Well, my name is Marlina Sakoikoy as moderator, as also speaker 2, Putri Lenggogeni as speaker 1, and the last Mila Hamidinanti as speaker 3. Okay, the first material will be explained by Putri. For Putri, it's your time.
Okay, let first we discuss about design curriculum. Definition of design curriculum. Curriculum design is the result of at the process of linking educational goal by selecting and organizing curriculum content. It focuses on the creation of the overall course blueprint, mapping content to learning objectives, including how to develop a course outline and build the course. Each learning objective is met with assessment strategies, exercises, content, subject matter analysis, and interactive activities. Okay, next, there are four things that affect the design of curriculum. The first one is control. It is the more specific the results to be achieved, the more narrow curriculum design. The second one is responsibility. The narrower the curriculum design is, the narrower it is called responsibilities. The third one is educational goals. It is logically affects the curriculum design. And the last one is culture mindset.
Okay, now I will explain about four curriculum design. There are four curriculum design, Longstreet and Saint 1993. The first, the society-oriented curriculum. The assumption underlying this curriculum design is that the goal of the school formed community. Second, the child-centered curriculum. The assumption underlying this design are child is an important thing in the curriculum. The developed curriculum must be able child domination. And then the knowledge-centered curriculum, based on the assumption that knowledge as each her curriculum. The function of school is to transfer knowledge of the most useful to young generation. And the last, the elective curriculum, referring to the selection of curriculum content based on the principle or doctrine different. For example, curriculum must be adjusted with children or child-centered curriculum, but also of the few children, school learn certain lessons that are considered important or knowledge-centered curriculum. Next, material about forward design of curriculum. Forward design is based on the assumption input process and output are related in linear fashion. In other words, before decision about methodology and output are determined, issue related to the content of instruction need to be resolved. Okay, I think that's all explanation about four curriculum design. Okay, the next material will be explained by Mila. To Mila, it's your time. Thank you.
Richards 2010 mentions that there are three approaches in designing curriculum in higher education that come from different perspectives. They are forward, center, and backward. In making those three curriculums, there are three different starting points also, starting with input for backward, process for center, and also output for backward. Okay, the first one is forward. Forward deals with input. It means that we need to think about its linguistic first, which means the content. Content here means that lecturers need to think logically to assume what content of the language that will be taught before teaching and learning process. The second one is central. Process deals with how the class is conducted or what methodology that is needed by lecturer to conduct the class. Methodology is defined as type of learning activities, procedure, and technique which are implemented by lecturer to teach in class. The last one is backward approach, is started with output. Output refers to learning outcomes, that is what learner will get or will able to do after they had the class. It can be a target that need achieved by every student in class without exception. Okay, thanks. Back to moderator.
Approaches in design curriculum. Well, I think that's all our explanation. If there is our mistake in this video, I'm so sorry. Thank you for attention.